of the Constitution of India.
Menteri Ketnat Kam Jungok Kai ubah Pol Lyngdoh negasngi ulaong baka artikel laispa nyop huwei bat ke 6 schedule. Kimla Iatreilang hakaju kapor. Habakren syekinong patai kubor hasilong negasngi ubah Pol ulaong baki an kum ke Land Transfer Act kalak ban penteri kam hakajala namar ke jingdon jong ke 6 schedule. Bat ki an kum ke Citizenship Amendment Act shimna penteri kam Meghalaya namar ke jingdon ki an hak 6 schedule. Ubah Pol ulaong ba ula persya yakane nadu usnam ahajar katsan.
In asserting that in any arrangement where the 6th schedule is in operation, there is no possibility of Article 371 being invoked. It's as clear as daylight. Both the 6th schedule and Article 371 cannot coexist in a single system. A very clear example is that of the state of Mizoram, where Article 371 covers the entire Mizoram except for the 3 autonomous district councils which have been constituted to cater to the needs of other tribals, meaning tribals within Mizoram who are non-Mizos.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kisangma negas